going to show you how to take a basic red shirt like this and turn it into something magical. So first you take the red shirt, of course, you lay it down. I prefer you take it outside. I suggest you take it outside, you know. Then I got something, you know, like a grate like this. I lay it on the shirt. I spray it with some Loctite adhesive, you know. Next, what I do is I let it dry. Next, I add silver foil. Here's the foil on the shirt. Alright. I add the silver foil, of course, and then I press it with my heat press. You know, if you want to see a link to that video, you know, I'll put a description down below. This is what basically you'll come out with. You know, a distressed sort of brick pattern or whatever type of pattern that you may have used for I'm going to line it up with some rhinestones. So I'll lay it on my heat press. Here I have some text. It says Diamond Club. Of course, it got blue circles from the magic flock on the other end. I used it to do some weeding, but that's okay. Next for this design, I have a skull head. Let me just pick the skull head up. Here I have my skull head. I want to layer this in right up under. Well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to go ahead and get those stones down. There's a little bit of tape in the way of where I want my skull head to be. So let me bring it down here. Slide it down to the edge. Cover it with some parchment paper. Oh. I'm gonna need a pillow for this part right here. So let me get my heat press pillow out. Now that I have that pillow in there, definitely know I need to lower down the pressure. Like so. Cover it with my parchment paper. And let's just press that in real quick. Now I don't have any air conditioning on. Let me open the window or something. Woo! You can get pretty hot working with those rhinestones. Alright. There we go, there we go. Looking nice and smooth. Let's go ahead and remove this. Hot. There we go. Got my Diamond Club on there looking nice and spiffy. Now move on to the next part of the application, which is the rhinestones. the skull part. I don't know why I picked that up just yet. Alright, for this part, let's go ahead and keep the pillow in there. It's already in there. Let's go ahead and keep it in there. I already got the pressure set. So let's go ahead and thread the shirt over the pillow, like so. Lay it back up under the heat press. All right. Make sure you get it nice and even for this process right here. Alright, so grab our skull. And I know y'all see me working in my boxer shorts, like, you know what I mean? But that's, like I say, it get hot in here. It gets so hot in here. Line it up like so. That stone back in the skull right there. All right. Now let's cover it. And actually what I'm gonna do is grab another sheet of parchment paper. That seems to definitely work best. Alright, got it covered, make sure it's up on the press. Bad boy, it's what you want, what you want. Woo! It's alright though. That's how you make awesome. You gotta sweat it out sometimes, you know what I'm saying? My stacking bundles. I got a slideshow video showing all the different colorways, you know, of this particular design. But yeah, we are almost ready. Almost ready. All right, that's pressed in there real good. Like so. I gotta let it cool down so the tape don't take off the foil. Gotta let it cool down, but check that out. Let it cool down. But wait, there's more. Wanted to show y'all this quick one right here using the exact same skull head. You know, with those color changing stones. Oh yeah. Hold on. We also have, we're gonna do some color on color today. I like to do same color shirt with same color stones, just to see how it pops. So we have this blue, you know, it's a Gildan soft style. Let's get that up on the press. You know, pre-press it to get any wrinkles or moisture out of it. And what we have here is a Big Money Kush Sex Music Life. What I like to do is, especially when I got it facing the other way, is I like to fold it so I can hold it in one hand with the sticky side out. That way I can flip it around and grab it like that. But then I also like to hold it between my finger and my thumb and my other finger, sort of like a 3-finger hold. That way I can come down here and easily grab this bottle and do like an arc. So I can get my arc. And I go in with this huge design and I try to place it best I can. Boom. I don't lay it all the way down, that way I can adjust it, you know, bit by bit, however I see fit. And that's looking good. That's looking good. I slide it up to get the collar off of the heat press. I don't have to cover it up because the transfer sheet is the cover sheet. So let's press it. Wait a minute. Forgot to do the pressure. So let's turn the pressure back up. Rhinestones need heat and pressure. Lock that bad boy in. And then we wait. Oh yeah. Let me show y'all another one real quick in case y'all ain't seen it yet. We got the ever luxurious, the cash rules everything around me. Cream, get the money, dollar bill, y'all. See, I got the design going through his hair or whatever. If y'all like a tutorial on how I did this shirt, leave a comment down below. Let me know. Alright, show y'all this one. Actually, we don't even have to let it cool down. It's not like there's any foil or anything on it, so I can just peel it right away. Look at that, y'all. Look at that color on color to where it just pops out. It may look like it's clear stones, but it's not. See? You might think somebody got on a plain shirt. You know what I mean? Until they turn around and then the light hit the stones and be like, oh, you know what I mean? If you like this shirt right here, smash that like button. You know, also leave a comment down below. You know? I keep saying that, don't I? Leave a comment down below. Smash that like button. Subscribe. Nah, but for real though, I do these shirts every day, every other day. You know, I come up with something new. I'm liking this. Like, it's real subtle. Like, if it was clear stones, it would pop out at you. You know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah. All right, hold on. Now, I can remove the tape from this one. Uh-oh. Let me lay it down real quick. Of course, just as I mentioned before, some of the foiling will come off with the transfer tape. And I also just need to fix the A and the M, you know. But that's all right. Check that out. Just another one, just like the one before. I can do 100 of these shirts in different colors now that I have the template, you know. Here's the template once again, just to show y'all. The skull template, I can do 3 color. I can brush in stones for the skull, brush in different color stones for the teeth, and brush in stones for the outside. I could have cut out 3 templates, but hey, why waste that much magic flock when you can do it all in one template?